Hey everyone, my name is Viraj Bhatt. I'm going to talk about my life story. And first of all, I wish you all a happy Autism Awareness Month. Yes, and I was born in April 20th, 1988 in Mumbai. Uh, almost entire lifetime of mine was spent in India only. Of course, kindergarten, some part I spent in Muscat, Oman. And since childhood, since very early childhood, it was my passion was to read books a lot, encyclopedias. It's not like uh, school books. I love gaining knowledge very from the very beginning, and it was about any, and not any particular knowledge, but in general. And uh, and uh, I don't know since when I became an introvert. I think in the age of I think 10 to 13, sometime around that. And I did, like it is written here. I did grade from grade 1 to 10. I studied in a regular school, Maharashtra State Board in Mumbai, and uh, and I love gaining knowledge, that I already said, but it wasn't exactly to gain uh, uh, grades in school, but to just for the sake of gaining knowledge, I used to read things. And so this is the picture of me. She is my sibling sister, and the person there is my dad. And this photo, I think it was taken in some time around when I was in the year, I think 2000 or 2000, 1999, I don't know, sometime around that. And for me, that time, seeing photos of myself and my relatives was very unusual thing, because that those days there was nothing like digital camera or something. There was no cell phone camera or something. So what I didn't mention here was that I tried to do FYBA, that first year Bachelor of Arts, in the year 19 and 20 years of age. And after that, it was not successful exactly, but then I had to do some work. So I did screen printing work in the years uh, 2009 and 10. But then after that, I worked as a data entry clerk, and the work I did that time as a data entry clerk, it helped me a lot to prepare for the company I'm working for. And then, yes, like it is written, I got assessed by some training institute for the company I'm working for. Of course, data entry clerk, work of a data entry clerk was definitely helpful, but it taught me something further, like something related to keeping records or something, I don't know. And it was in the year 2014 that I got assessed. And I joined the company in the year 2015, February 2015. Yes. And in the beginning, the department I work for, it was somewhat critical tasks they used to do. But yes, and later on, something like 2018 starting, starting from the year 2018, it was relatively less critical work that I did. Yes. So you can see these are the pictures from my past. I think the last one is the picture where there is a door in the background. It was taken in 2014, I think, when I was just starting for the assessment. And okay, so, and I have only a handful of hobbies and passions. They are there are not too many, but what I do as a hobby, I love doing it. I just love doing it. And I, as already have spoken that I love gaining knowledge, but after I think since 2000 and I think 12 or something. I don't know the exact year, but ever since that, I love gaining knowledge from Vedic perspective because from what I have understood, knowledge from Vedic perspective cannot be proven wrong. That's one thing I find very interesting, and I love listening to music. I just love, and it is the music that I listen to. It's usually not Bollywood because I hate Bollywood, and I listen to not only English but other world music also, and I love writing my thoughts not on paper but on a notepad because it can be edited very easily. And one thing I didn't write that writing my thoughts is because I'm I daydream a lot, and they have to be recorded somewhere, so I write it. And, and one thing is that I'll need a lot of me time, and because I'm an introvert, and I tend to have very constructive thoughts when I'm alone. I think so. Yes. My As of now, my main goal of life is to, I don't know. Of course, it is to work in the company I'm working for many years to come, but also I want to be a happily married person. That is definitely a vision in life. My message to all is, of course, like as I've written, work to live, but don't live to work. Is spending precious time with your family and oneself. That is far more important. Of course, work is important, and also I want to say that, okay, one of my, it is not exactly a message, but I would like to say that the food you eat, the association you keep, and the books you read, or in general any media that you gain access to, these three things affect your life a lot. So be very careful about like I just said, what you eat, what association you keep, and what books or media you gain access to. They are very critical in sculpting your future, your thought processes. Yes. And thank you so much for your time. Thank you very much. And once again, wish you Happy Autism Awareness Month.